Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today we are making a zucchini pie, which is dairy, so it's made with farmer cheese, feta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and of course, zucchini. So take out your food processor. You know how it comes with all of these little blades. So take out your shredder blade and place it on your food processor so we can get started by shredding our zucchini. Grating a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I like that nice brick of Parmesan to be added to our zucchini mixture. Okay, so the zucchini is in your bowl. Now we're going to add the cheeses. So we're taking a half a pound of farmer cheese. So back in the day, this was a package of a half a pound, but now it's 7.5 ounces. Fine, just go ahead and add the whole package right to your zucchini. Take a half a pound, 8 ounces of crumpled feta cheese. Add that to your zucchini and farmer cheese. Then take a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese and add that to your mixture. Now we need 4 eggs, and we need to crack our eggs one at a time to make sure there are no red spots and it's a kosher egg. After you added all your eggs, take a half a cup. I like to use seasoned breadcrumbs and add that to our mixture. And get ready, a pinch of salt and our pinch of pepper. Now, just mix this all up to a nice, creamy, smooth mixture. So have a pan ready. We're using a 9 by 11 aluminum pan, the nice thicker one. So put a little oil. Our oven is on 400, so it is now heating up to 400. We're going to take this nice, smooth zucchini mixture with the farmer cheese, the feta cheese, and the Parmesan cheese. Lay it all out in your deep dish aluminum pan. Looks beautiful. This is certainly a family recipe that goes back many generations on my mom's side. And it's a nice Sephardic dish. Adding a little pepper on top and a sprinkle of paprika, just a little bit on the top to give it some nice little color. Fantastic. I have 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to take that and just sprinkle it right on top of our pan. This will go into the oven, bake for 45 minutes. It's ready. Bake for 45 minutes on 400. Simple, easy, great recipe for Shavuot. If you need to, you can also make them into 2 small pans. And like I said, they're great to freeze. So bake them and then let them cool and put them in. All right, time for us to take a bite. Look how beautiful that looks. And, oh, amazing. Delicious. I hope you enjoy the recipe below. This is one fantastic zucchini pie.